Welcome today in front of me Honor 9X Lite, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here on the search bar type the green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your phone. So now just open the app, here click to enable in settings, and yeah, the green Apple keyboard switcher, tap once on the switcher, tap to OK and OK again. Oh, what's going on? Okay. Now just go back, tap here to the switch input methods and switch your Swift keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, and now that's finished. And now we'll, for example, type something, for example, here in the Google search, and as can you see, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard at all the emojis. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.